if order of operation has been a problem, all this while to you, this question, as long as it is, I'm going to demolish it, demystify it in a way that you understand easily. So let's solve. Now, remember your board mass, okay? So if you follow this step as it is, you usually be able to solve anything that has to do with order of operation. But then we have here our square bracket. Let's have our square bracket first. But then we can still be solving here till we get to this place. It doesn't really matter. 36 divided by 3, we have 12 times 5. Okay, now let's solve bracket now. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Minus, then let's solve this. Now, here we solve the inner bracket first before the square bracket. We solve the parentheses before the square bracket. So we say minus 4 times 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? So we're done with this. In fact, let's make it bracket. So we say this is 12. No, this is multiplication. This is another multiplication. And we'll have the subtraction. So multiplication will always come before subtraction. So let's multiply this. 12 times 12 is what? 144. Minus 4 times 4 is what? 16. 144 minus 16. 144 minus 16 will give us 144 minus 16 will give us 128. So this is the final answer. So you can see, as long as it is, we have been able to demystify it, break it down in a way. So you can see, as long as this thing is, I've been able to demystify it and break it down in a way you easily understand. So if you like this video, kindly support me by subscribing to my video and also share widely. Bye.